Here are 4 places to find actually free music you can use in your YouTube videos. Sometimes attribution to the artist is required in your description. First, we are going to go to Streambeats.com, then press Create and go to Download Tracks. A drive window will open up containing music tracks that you can download and use in your YouTube videos without attribution. Most of the tracks do not have lyrics as they are meant to be used in the background of your videos, but a few have singers. Next, we are going to YouTube's audio library. To get there, you can go to your profile's YouTube studio. Then scroll down on the left-hand side to Audio Library. Some require that you provide attributions, some don't. It will say if you hover over the license column whether you need to provide attribution. If you need to provide attribution, just click on the license column and it will show you text that you can copy and paste into the description of your video to use the song. I am posting a link to YouTube's terms and conditions about their audio library in the description of this video. Now we are heading to Pixabay. Here we can find a library of royalty-free music along with the license certificates to download for free. Attribution to the artist is not required, but a link is provided to copy and paste into the description in case you want to support them. When you post the attribution link from Pixabay into your description, you will need to remove the angle brackets before you can post your video. I like to remove the whole tags. Finally, we are going to Unlike Pluto's official website. On their website, this artist has placed download links for many of their songs that you are allowed to use in your YouTube videos. The attribution in the form of the fan links and FFM links for each song are requirements and are found with the download links. You paste those links in the description of your video. You also have to subscribe to their Spotify in order to download the songs from the links on their website. Those were 4 places to find actually free music for your YouTube videos. I hope you found them helpful. Thanks so much for watching.